What is going on, my party people? Happy Saturday. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm in a good mood. I did something I had did in a long time. Stand in the line and wait on the shoe. And yes, Emoneyshoes got to retire. That ain't happening. But it's all good. It is what it is. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. Thank you for all the love and support. Go check out my other videos. I got the Chinese New Year 98. Let me know what you think. And I got my top 10 2020 hype beast shoes. And don't forget to check out the fam 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, and PMKICKZ. And this is what I got. Bam, a little mini box, right? 7Y official colorway. This is the Air Jordan 1 Retro OGGS. Colors are white, black, vault, right? You can see white, black, vault. Hope you can see that. I must say, I gotta eat my words, people. These shoes are a lot better in person. You can see you got your stamp around. They're like suggested retail price was $130. Very crispy. The paper, look at that, like so. And it is dope. Jordan ones have a very dope smell, I must say. If they'll come out of there undisturbed, not even tried on, and bam, one quick look around, do your spin-a-rooney. Shout out to the guy Booker T. The materials on this shoe is pretty good, I must say. Materials is pretty good. Underneath, all black. On the toe box, ooh, buttery. Look at that, soft in the baby's butt. Thick cuts of leather, white right here. You know you got a dead stock pair when the laces are undisturbed. And you got the tongue, of course. And I like what they did right here. They did the reverse. See that reverse action? I like that. So you spin around like that, like so. These are the Volt Gold joint side panel. Leather is good. Hey, they did y'all well, grade school. You got your extra set of laces inside, black laces, vault hit. These were more limited than people thought. So if you get a chance to get these, you better jump on them because they probably gonna go up, people. They are probably going to go up. You can see your thing on the side. Look at the stitching. I know it's bright, I'm just on the road doing it. Giving y'all a quick overview of what there is. You can see that tumble rumble, old rankle stankle right there. Rankle stankle right there. The line, this one is higher here. I got these from Foot Locker. So a very dope shoe. A quick overview. So yes, like I said, I will eat eat my words on these joints. So on the lit meter, I would give these about a 4.8 out of 5. I am not gonna lie. I would rate these pretty high on the lit meter. So 4.8 out of 5. You guys let me know, were you able to get these this morning? Did you take a big fat L? Leave a comment suggestion below. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, and go check out all my videos and subscribe to the fam and even my feature channel. You feel me? Have a great weekend all. Be safe. Wear your mask. I'm out. Peace.